Students, I hope you all are well. So in our previous class we have discussed about the animals that lay eggs, and today we will discuss about the animal that give birth to young ones or that give birth to babies which resemble the adult one. So animal that give birth to babies. So these animals, first if we talk about these animals, these are known as viviparous animals, and the animals that lay eggs are known as oviparous animals. So the another word is also there, they are also known as mammals. So the animals that give birth, the animals that give birth to young ones and feed on their milk are called mammals. They are called mammals. The animal that give birth to young ones, वो young ones को, young babies को birth करते हैं and feed on their milk, and they feed their young ones with their own milk are known as mammals. So if we talk about the example of mammals are dog, cat, horses, and we human beings are also an example of mammals. We also the example of mammals. Next, if we talk about the mammals, the development of young ones takes place inside the mother's body. Development होता है mammals में that takes place inside the mother's body. Mother के body के अंदर होता है. And when the birth of the young one takes place, they drink mother's milk until and unless they do not start to eat something other food. Take care of their babies. The mammals take care of their babies for a long time. जितने भी हम animals की बात करें, चाहे वो reptiles हैं, चाहे वो insects हैं, चाहे हम aquatic animals की बात करें, चाहे हम amphibians की बात करें, उन सब में से mammals are the animals that take care of their babies. जो अपनी babies की जो take care होती है, उनकी जो caring होती है, वो सबसे ज्यादा long time के लिए करते हैं. Then, if we talk about the features of mammals, क्या क्या features होती है mammals की? इनका जो brain होता है that is well developed. जितने भी animals हैं सबसे ज्यादा well developed brain होता है mammals का ही. Have hair on their body. अब अगर अपनी body को देखें, पूरी body पे they have hair. उनकी जो पूरी body होती है that is covered with the small hair. So have hair on their body. Their body is covered with the hairs. Most of them live on the land. If we talk about the mammals, so we found that उनमें से most of ज्यादातर जो animals होते हैं they live on land only. So they are terrestrial animal, most of them. They breathe through their lungs, and we know that if they are living on a land, they are terrestrial animal, so they breathe through their lungs. वो अपने lungs से ही breathe करेंगे. Next, the extra it is given, it is the exception thing which are given about it. जो mammals होते हैं like whale and the dolphin and whale are also mammal and live in water. They live in water and they also do not have hair on their body. और उनके ऊपर क्या है, उनकी पूरी बॉडी पे हेयर्स भी नहीं पाए जाते हैं. एक्सेप्शन, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज इफ वी टॉक अबाउट दिस, जो whale है इट इज द लार्जेस्ट mammal on the earth. Then bats, they are also the example of mammals. They fly like birds. वो birds की तरह fly करते हैं and they are also mammals. वो birds की तरह fly करते हैं and they are also mammals. क्योंकि अगर birds की तरह fly कर रहे हैं तो क्या हो गए, वो aerial animal हो गए. क्योंकि जो sky में fly करते हैं they are known as aerial. And we are talking that जो mammals होते हैं उनमें सारे most of the animals कैसे होते हैं, terrestrial होते हैं. Next, the last thing is this duck-billed pelliplatus and spiny anteater. They are also mammals. They do not give birth to babies. It is the exception thing कि duck-billed pelliplatus and the spiny anteater, they do not give birth to babies. They lay eggs like the oviparous animals. So in this we have discussed about the Animal that give birth to babies, they are known as the viviparous animal, and the animal that give birth to young ones or give birth to babies of their own kind and they feed their young babies with their own milk are known as mammals. They are known as mammals. And examples, if we talk about the example, dog hai, cat hai, horse hai, cow hai, and human beings are the also example of mammals. Then if we talk about the how the young babies develop in the mammals, the development of the young one takes place inside the mother's body. Mother's की body के अंदर ही होता है. And when the birth of the baby takes place, they feed their babies with their own milk until unless they start to eat something other food items. And if we talk about the caring of the babies, the mammals are only the animals that टेक केयर ऑफ देयर बेबीज फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. सबसे ज्यादा लंबे टाइम के लिए अपनी बेबीज की केयर करते हैं बस. अगर अपनी बात करें तो ह्यूमन बीइंग जो है, हम लोग छोटे होते तब हमारी मदर पेरेंट हमारी केयर करते हैं, हम बड़े होते हैं उसके बाद भी हमारे जो पेरेंट्स होते हैं वो हमारी केयर करते हैं. सो लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए केयर कौन करता है? मैमल्स. एंड ह्यूमन बीइंग इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल दैट वी सी. नेक्स्ट इज फीचर्स ऑफ मैमल्स. क्या क्या फीचर्स होते हैं, क्या क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होती है मैमल्स की? दे हैव वेल डेवलप्ड ब्रेन. उनका वेल डेवलप्ड ब्रेन होता है. दे हैव हेयर ऑन देयर बॉडी. अपनी उनकी पूरी बॉडी पे हेयर्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ देम लिव ऑन द लैंड. सो दे आर टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल. एंड इफ दे आर लिविंग ऑन अ लैंड सो दे ब्रीथ थ्रू द लंग्स. And important thing is that they feed their young ones with their own milk, so they are also having the mammary glands. Last is mammals like whale and dolphin. Mammals like whale and dolphin, they live in water and do not have hair on their body. It is the exception thing कि ये भी क्या है? mammals हैं, whale और dolphin. और ये कहाँ हैं? वाटर में पाए जाते हैं, live in water and they do not have hair on their body. उनकी बॉडी पे hairs भी present नहीं होते हैं. Whereas the next is bats are also mammals. But they fly like birds and they are also mammals. वो birds की तरह fly करते हैं, but they are mammals. And the last is duck-billed pallidus and spiny anteater do not give birth to babies. They are also mammals, but they do not give birth to babies. They lay eggs like the oviparous animals. So next we will discuss about the animals take care for their eggs and the young ones. How the animals take care for their eggs and the young ones. So it is the topic how animals care for their eggs and young ones. So student, as we all know that as our parent looks after us, similarly like that the other animals take care of their young ones. दूसरे जो animals हैं वो भी अपने जो babies होते हैं, young ones जो होते हैं उनकी भी क्या करते हैं? वो भी care करते हैं human beings की ही तरह. So first of all we'll see about one by one. The first one is about the snakes. Snakes coil around the eggs. Snakes coil around the eggs and attack animals that come close to them. What the snakes do? Snakes generally what they do? They coil around the eggs and attack the animal that come close to the eggs. वो जो eggs होते हैं उनको coil कर देता है. If other animal tries to come close to the eggs, the snake attack on them. The next is about the turtles. Turtle lay hundreds of eggs at night. तो turtles क्या करते हैं? They lay hundreds of eggs at night and bury them in a sand. क्या करते हैं? उसको hundreds of eggs वो night में lay करता है और at night only they bury their eggs in the sand to protect them from the enemies and from the predators. So next is about the male seahorse. What they do? The male seahorse store the eggs in its pouch. उनके पास क्या होता है? एक pouch present होता है, उसमें वो eggs को store करता है and looks after them until they hatch into the small babies. What does female horse do? Female horse stores the egg in its pouch and look after the eggs until they hatch into the young babies. Next is about the fish. Fish lay. What the fish do? Fish lay their eggs close to water plants. फिश क्या करती है, अपने एग्स को वाटर प्लांट के क्लोज करती है टू हाइड देम, उनको छुपाने के लिए उनको वाटर प्लांट्स के आसपास क्या करती है, ले करती है अपने एग्स को, एंड टू हाइड देम, उनको दूसरे जो एनिमल्स होते हैं, दूसरे जो लार्ज फिशेज होती हैं, उनसे छुपाने के लिए, उनसे प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए क्या करती है, वाटर प्लांट्स के क्लोज ले करती है, ताकि वो उन पे अटैक ना करे और उनको प्रोटेक्ट कर सके। नेक्स्ट इज अबाउट द कंगारू। What kangaroo do? A kangaroo carries its young one in its pouch. वो अपने young one को अपने pouch में कैरी करता है, wherever it goes, कहीं भी वो जाता है तो अपने जो young babies होते हैं, small babies होते हैं उनको अपने pouch में कैरी करता है। वो कौन? Kangaroo. Next is about the birds. What the birds do? Most birds build nest. They build nest to protect their eggs. To protect their eggs फ्रॉम बैड वेदर। बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड चल रही है, रेनी सीजन है, तो उस बैड वेदर से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए क्या करते हैं, जो बर्ड्स हैं, दे ले देयर एग्स इन द नेस्ट व्हिच इज बिल्ड बाय द बर्ड्स ओनली फॉर देयर यंग बेबीज एंड प्रेडेटर्स। उनको अपने एग्स को बैड वेदर से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए एंड टू प्रोटेक्ट देम फ्रॉम द प्रेडेटर्स। प्रेडेटर्स आर दी other birds or the animals that attack on their eggs and eat them. So what happened in the birds? One of the parent look after the small babies or the eggs until and unless they hatches into the small baby and learn to fly and to eat themselves. जब तक वो फ्लाई करना स्टार्ट नहीं कर देते और अपने लिए जो फूड है वो खुद फाइंड आउट नहीं कर सकते, स्मॉल बेबी बर्ड्स, तब तक पेरेंट जो होते हैं उनमें से एक पेरेंट जो होता है वो केयर करता है स्मॉल बेबीज की और एग्स की। The last is about the important thing is given about the tilapia fish carries its egg in its mouth until they hatches into the young fishes. जो tilapia fish होती है क्या करती है, वो अपने एग्स को माउथ में कैरी करती है जब तक कि उसमें वो हैच ना हो जाए, उसमें से स्मॉल बेबीज बाहर निकल के ना आ जाए। And whenever the small babies or the small fishes faces the danger, they hide itself into the mouth of the parent fish. So this is about how the animal take care for their eggs and the young ones. So student, this is the last topic of your chapter, and in this chapter we have discussed first about what is reproduction. Reproduction is the process by which the animal produce more of their own kind, or the living being produce more of their own kind. Then we have discussed about the animals or the living being produced by two ways. First, by the laying eggs, which are known as the oviparous animal, and then other thing is the animals which reproduce or which produce young ones of their own kind, which are known as viviparous animal, and the another term we use for them are known as mammal. Then we have discussed about the structure of the egg. In this we have discussed there are three main layers. Outermost thin protecting covering which is known as the shell. Below to this there is an albumen which is the white jelly-like substance and which contains about 240 types of proteins. And if we move inner to this, there is a yellow color substance which is known as the yolk, and the yolk contains the food for the developing embryo. After that we have discussed about the different stages are present into the life of an animal. We have discussed about the life cycle of hen, about frog, about insects, and then today this is the last topic that animals take care of how the animal take care of their young ones or the eggs. So in next class we will discuss about the exercise of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.